Greetings, knowledge seekers. Welcome to Brainetainment, your reliable source for enlightening and engaging content. Here we strive to entertain and educate you on a variety of intriguing topics, offering you a delightful blend of entertainment and enlightenment. On today's agenda, we're diving into the fascinating world of the gut microbiome, aiming to debunk 8 common myths that often cloud our understanding of this complex ecosystem within us. To start, let's briefly touch upon what the gut microbiome is. It's a vast community of trillions of bacteria and other microbes that inhabit our digestive system, playing a crucial role in our overall health. However, there are several misconceptions about it, leading to confusion and misinformation. Today, we're going to dispel these myths, bringing clarity and truth to the forefront. So, are you ready to debunk some myths and uncover the truth? Let's get started. Myth number 1. All bacteria in your gut are harmful. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? But let's clear the air on this one. You see, the truth is far from this common misconception. In fact, a significant number of bacteria in your gut are not only harmless, but are absolutely essential for your health. These beneficial bacteria, often referred to as probiotics, play a myriad of crucial roles in your body. They aid in digestion, help the body absorb nutrients, bolster your immune system, and even play a role in mood regulation. Yes, you heard that right. Your gut bacteria can impact how you feel. Many of these microbes are so vital that without them we would struggle to survive. So it's clear that not all bacteria in our gut are harmful. Quite the contrary, many of them are vital for our health. Moving on to myth number 2, you should always take probiotics for a healthy gut. Now, probiotics have gained considerable popularity due to their potential health benefits. These beneficial bacteria can indeed contribute to a healthier gut. However, it's not as simple as popping a probiotic pill every day and expecting optimal gut health. Our bodies are complex ecosystems, and the gut is no exception. A healthy gut relies on a delicate balance of various types of bacteria, not just those found in probiotics. Moreover, it's also about the food that feeds these bacteria. A balanced diet rich in fiber, whole grains, fruits and vegetables can provide the necessary nutrients for your gut microbiome to thrive. Probiotics can be a useful ally, especially in times of need, such as after a course of antibiotics, but they shouldn't replace a varied and balanced diet. So while probiotics can be a great supplement, they are not the be-all and end-all for gut health. Myth number 3, a healthy gut means you won't have any digestive problems. This belief is common, but unfortunately it's not entirely accurate. Even with a gut that's thriving with beneficial bacteria, one can still experience digestive issues. Let's delve into why. Various factors can trigger digestive problems. High stress levels, for instance, can upset your stomach and cause issues like indigestion or heartburn. Similarly, not getting enough sleep can disrupt the balance in your gut, leading to digestive discomfort. Certain medications can also interfere with your gut health, potentially causing digestive problems. In addition, some people may have food intolerances or sensitivities that can cause digestive issues regardless of the overall health of their gut. For example, someone with lactose intolerance can have a perfectly healthy gut but still experience digestive upset when they consume dairy products. So even though maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, it's not a magic shield against all digestive problems. So a healthy gut doesn't guarantee a life free from digestive troubles. Myth number 4. Changing your diet can quickly alter your gut microbiome. It's a common belief, but the reality is a bit more complex. Your gut microbiome, that complex community of microorganisms living in your digestive tract, doesn't change overnight. It's like a giant, bustling city. Just as you can't transform a city's culture or infrastructure in a day, you can't instantly alter the intricate ecosystem that is your gut microbiome. Every food you consume, every morsel that passes through your digestive tract interacts with your gut microbiota. But these interactions and the changes they might bring occur gradually. It's a process that happens over weeks, months, and sometimes even years. A single salad or a week of junk food won't drastically swing the balance of bacteria in your gut. So changing your diet can indeed impact your gut microbiome. But it's not an overnight process, it's a journey, a long-term commitment to healthier eating and living. Myth number 5, your gut microbiome is the same as everyone else's. This couldn't be further from the truth. Each person's gut microbiome is as unique as a fingerprint. Yes, you heard it right, a fingerprint. Now you might ask, what makes our gut microbiome so distinct? Well, a variety of factors contribute to this uniqueness. Your diet, for instance, plays a crucial role. The types of food you consume can significantly influence the composition of your gut microbiome. Your lifestyle choices too have a say in this. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, a fitness enthusiast or a couch potato, every bit of it molds your gut microbiome in its own way. And let's not forget the influence of your environment. The air you breathe, the water you drink, your exposure to different environments all leave their imprint on your gut microbiome. So, your gut microbiome is uniquely yours, influenced by your diet, lifestyle, and environment. Myth number 6. The gut microbiome doesn't affect your mental health. Now, that's a tall tale if there ever was one. You see, there's this fascinating thing called the gut-brain axis. It's a bi-directional communication network connecting your gut and brain, both physically through nerves and chemically through hormones. Your gut microbiome is an active participant in this conversation, producing neurotransmitters and other chemicals that can influence your brain. Research has shown that changes in the gut microbiome can affect mood, cognition, and even stress responses. In fact, some studies suggest that certain mental health conditions like depression and anxiety may be linked to alterations in the gut microbiome. Imagine that, the tiny organisms residing in your gut having a say in how you feel and think. It's a fascinating interplay, a testament to the complexity of our bodies. So, your gut microbiome can indeed have an impact on your mental well-being. Myth number 7, antibiotics don't affect your gut microbiome. Let's tackle this misconception head-on. Antibiotics are indeed life-saving medications designed to combat harmful bacterial infections. However, their function isn't selective. They don't differentiate between the friendly bacteria we need for a healthy gut and the harmful ones causing illness. When you take antibiotics, they get to work killing bacteria, both good and bad, in your gut. This can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome, potentially leading to issues such as antibiotic-associated diarrhea and other digestive problems. Moreover, repeated or prolonged use of antibiotics can lead to a more significant disruption, potentially allowing harmful bacteria to thrive and resist future treatments. So, while antibiotics can be our allies in the fight against infections, they're like a bull in a china shop when it comes to our gut microbiome. So, while antibiotics are sometimes necessary, they can have a significant impact on your gut microbiome. Our final myth, number 8, you can't change your gut microbiome. This is a common misconception, but it's simply not true. Your gut microbiome is dynamic. It changes in response to your diet, lifestyle, and even your emotional state. Let's consider your diet. Consuming a diverse range of high-fiber foods, for instance, can enrich your gut microbiome. On the other hand, a diet high in processed and sugary foods can adversely affect it. Lifestyle changes can also make a significant difference. Regular physical activity has been shown to promote a healthier gut microbiome. Even your sleep patterns can influence it, and let's not forget about probiotics. These are beneficial bacteria that can help to balance your gut microbiome. They can be found in fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut, or in supplement form. So it's clear that you have some control over your gut microbiome. And there you have it, 8 common myths about the gut microbiome debunked. We've journeyed through the world of gut microbiota, shedding light on the truth behind the misconceptions. From understanding not all bacteria are harmful to acknowledging the significant role our diet plays in shaping our gut environment. We've also established the uniqueness of each individual's gut microbiome and its profound influence on our mental well-being. We've recognized that antibiotics, while necessary at times, can impact our gut microbiome. And finally, we've learned that change is indeed possible, giving us the power to influence our gut health. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards making informed decisions about your health. Never stop questioning and continue to learn. The more we understand, the better we can ensure a healthier, happier life. Thank you for tuning into Braintainment. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe. Stay curious, stay knowledgeable.